How's it going? Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, if you watched that last video, or the last knife making video, that was about 2 seconds ago. I turned it off and turned it right back on so I could do the intro. So let's get this started. We gotta get to the surface grinder, get this cleaned up, and get this cleaned up, dip these knives, see where we're going, maybe stonewash the one with the hamon, or the stone, I don't know, we'll see. You'll know before I do. Alright, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Let's see, I would tell you to go to my website, but I don't have any knives available. I do have shirts on there, and I got Amazon links to all the tools I use and stuff like that. So, yeah, let's get to it. It's Wednesday night. We got all these mirror finishers to bring back. The hamon's right there. Yeah, etched all stonewash, all good to go. I already did this side for Instagram, or started it for Instagram, so we got the mirror started there, and the flint on it. Yeah, I just put flints on it and then hit it up. This is 52-100, so I'm just gonna hit it with an A65 on the compound and get the bevels looking real good, but yeah, let's get to the buffer. Yeah, man. Nice fat mirrored hamon. Yeah, man. I gotta do the handles next, get them all cleaned up and ready for Kydex. And boom. And then it's the next night. What is it? Thursday night? Yeah. But it's almost midnight. Man, I had to re-dip this one 2 times. And I let it set up. No, wait, wrong one. I had to dip this one twice yesterday, and then when I set it down, I must not have put oil on it or something. I came and had big old spots on it, so I had to dip it a 3rd time today. So that's why it's almost midnight. I do want to get this compound grind, but first I got these handles glued together. I got 2 pieces of tape. I almost forgot this trick. You take blue tape and you put it on the pieces, and you just put a couple of dots of super glue and hold them together, because these are aluminum. They're not coming apart, until you want to take them apart with the blue tape. It's a lot easier than trying to get super glue to, off the aluminum. Alright, I gotta clean these up around the edges, and I had footage on here where I did it before the tape, so I'll put that here and then we'll start going and see where we get. Let's do it. Alright, I got the holes filled out here and sunk in, so all I gotta do is clean them up, so we'll get to the grinder and do that. It's Saturday, which means Friday night tattoos happened last night. Yeah, check this out. Woo! So I did this last night, but to get to it, I had to keep putting it even hurts now. I had to keep putting my leg up like this so I could reach it. And man, my hip is killing me today. Still. The tattoo I don't even feel. You can see it's red, but I only did a little bit of shading that, man. My hip was just like, you're old. Put your leg down, you old man. But yeah, so I'll shade it back in 2 weeks and all that, but whoo, good Lord. So I almost forgot to show this. This was like white. Well, I tried white, but it was actually just skin color. Up here it came in white a little bit. You can see the white highlighted here, but this is called snot green. And yeah, it came out pretty good. I was surprised, so I'm happy with it. If I can find it, I'll show some video of what it was before. I might have to cut the sound if it's on Instagram and all that, but we'll see. Alright, back to the video. So we'll see how far we get on the Dexter knife. And then I'd like to do the bevels on these compounds. Get them up to an H65. That way all we gotta do is shape these handles out and it'll be Kydex time. Woo! Ain't she purty? Yeah, man. This one was a pain in the ass, but man, it looks sweet with that mirror and everything, yeah. Woo! Marbled stonewash, yeah. Alright, to the grinder. guys, it's Sunday night. I had to bring down the strop and my sharpening stones and all that. I usually leave them upstairs so they don't get all kinds of dust and stuff in them, but man, it took a lot more than I thought to get this sharp. But it's sharp enough to cut paper. I mean, with bevels like that, zero grind, small bevels, you're not gonna get it really like hair. It might, I haven't even tried it on hair. Yeah, you have to tilt it up like that. I mean, it cuts a little bit. It's not, definitely not shaving sharp. These movie props, I said it in my other videos where I did these Dexter knives. These things would probably hurt your hand before they killed someone, but they sure do look amazing. I'm gonna shut this off and turn it right back on and start the new video and get on these compound grinds. Get this to like an A65. This is the 52-100. Then hopefully we can get these handles taken care of, and then Kydex will probably be in the next video. Woo, man. I'm still so happy that turned out. 3 times to dip it, but looking good, looking good. And this handle still needs to be shaped a bit, but that's all right. We can do that in the next video. So I think after I finish these knives, I'm gonna start a whole tutorial thing, like step by step, every step, make it like long and tedious so you guys go crazy. But until now, I'll put the playlist for the full guide to knife making where it's old and I'm fat and busted, and that's the reason I want to do a new tutorial. Not to show you guys how to make knives, just so I can look good in another video series. Alright, the playlist is right there, my website's right there. Hope y'all having a great day, and as always, take it easy.